Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So here I have a video of me unboxing my mystery pack from Notpolish. It was $99, well worth the price. Look at all the goodies I got. So all you're gonna see is what I got and the swatches of the color jars that came in the kit or the pack. I've used these tips before, they're awesome. I run out of them so fast. They're super perfect for long stiletto nails. And I got stickers and some glitter. And oh, I got rhinestones, y'all. So just wait and see. At the end, closer to the end of the video, you'll see the swatches of the colors I got. I'm so happy I didn't get colors I already had. So enjoy watching this unboxing. Bye. Okay, I'm back. I forgot to tell you guys I have a coupon code with Notpolish. So if you would like to get a little discount, it's Lucy. So don't forget to use it. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you have any questions. So before I go, I might record a makeup video just because there ain't nothing to do right now. Not today, I'll see when. But a lot of people that actually saw my makeup videos before have been asking me to do another one. And I'm like, alright, I'll try. Alright, good night you guys. I'm tired and can't wait to use these little goodies for the future. But I got a bunch of stuff. If you got one of these, you know it was a good buy. Bye.